Okay. Hi. So we are with you guys today with a taste test, I guess.
I just realized the brand of this one is Lonely God.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, that was...
Yeah. So I went to the Korean market a couple weeks ago, and we've only been talking about this snack food taste test for like 2 weeks now, right? For like the last two muffins.
Literally since she got them.
Yeah. So we got these, which are rice crackers with seaweed.
And we got these, which we were confused about for a little while because we thought they were like just seaweed snacks, but they're actually seaweed flavored snacks. Like,
Yeah.
that's what they look like.
Yeah.
We were so confused because like we were like, shit, we've got 2 seaweed snacks.
Yeah, and I was totally like so careful when I was shopping because I really thought that I got different things, you know? And then I got home and I'm like, did I really get 2 seaweeds?
But then literally like 5 minutes ago we were like, damn.
Yeah, 5 minutes ago. So this one is crispy seaweed.
It's the actual seaweed.
Taco Tao Kenoi. I don't know how to say it. I don't speak anything else.
And this one, the biggest bag is shrimp chips.
We got these on the recommendation of Strictly Dumpling, who we'll link below if you don't watch him. He has awesome videos.
He does.
So, you want to try the seaweed first?
Sure.
Or
We should have gotten scissors. Do we need scissors over
we
there?
don't need scissors. Just pull it open.
So what if I...
They have the little hair thing on the side too.
Oh my god, because they're geniuses.
Yeah. Genius.
I'm used to American chips with... Got it.
Gotta work for your food. Ooh, they're huge.
What it looks like. Just dried seaweed. Smells like seaweed.
Ooh. We're gonna do a thumbnail with these?
Mm.
Oh, that's real nice.
That is.
Mm.
See, I had... Oh my god, these are better than the ones that we've had like at Target and stuff like that. Because I've gotten the ones at Target, and I cannot keep them anywhere because my cat loves them.
She's a freak. Like this cat, I'm telling you. She's like a hobgoblin. Babe, you want to try one of these seaweeds?
Come on over.
My son has friends here, in case you're hearing children in the background. Real nice,
Good, right? You look cute ones.
Well, it was full of wow.
Wow.
Mmm,
These are really good.
real nice.
And some seaweed snacks are kind of difficult because some of them will literally just taste like fish food.
How do you know what fish food tastes like? It's a valid question.
But anyways, they obviously like seasoned them and everything, but these
Yeah,
just,
they're salty, peppery, a little bit of garlic in there, right?
salt, pepper, flavor enhancer.
Flavor enhancer.
That's literally all it is.
Let's try these ones next.
Mm.
These are the rice crackers with seaweed. There it is. They look yum.
They do. I thought they were gonna be hollow for some reason. Like,
Mmm. I
Those are
love
really good.
these. I love these rice cracker things to begin with.
Okay, we've had them in that, like, what, the trail mix kind of stuff before.
Yeah. They have that, like in the bulk foods department in a lot of stores, they have that Oriental snack mix. And it has these rice cracker things in there. They're so good.
Mm-hmm.
I really like these. I don't know if I'm going to be able to pick a favorite today. So far, I can't pick a favorite.
So far, mine is the seaweed. The seaweed on these is a little different. Maybe it's just me, but it tends to taste fishier. Almost. I think.
You get a lot of these in a serving size, too. Serving size is like 1 cup.
And which one was? Oh, this whole bag is a serving size.
Yeah.
The entire bag. I hope they're really good. Then I won't eat the whole bag.
I really like those. Those are good.
I think we should try these ones.
Do it.
I think they don't have a label. Can you get this one?
Here.
The fuck? Ah!
Oh.
Okay, so they look like pasta. They don't really smell like anything.
They're like made out of potato. So they're like those little dehydrated potatoes. You know, chips. They're kind of sweet.
They are sweet.
It looks like they have little seaweed flakes on them.
They're supposed to be seaweed flavor, but
I don't really detect a lot of seaweed flavor.
they're sweet. They taste like potatoes.
Yeah. I like them.
I don't know.
So far, I still don't have a favorite. They are really good, though. Baby, I don't think you'll eat any of these. I'm like so excited about these ones.
Oh, that one doesn't have a square thing.
I wouldn't say that it does, but it does tear.
What?
Smell it. It smells pretty intense. Pretty intensely shrimpy.
I'm gonna not smell
They look
it.
like French fries.
They do.
They taste like shrimp. You like them? I like them too.
I just don't want to smell them.
They smell pretty intense. I still don't know if I can pick a favorite.
I don't know. I think the seaweed and I think the shrimp chips are kind of tight.
Really? Hmm.
Yeah, I think these two are tied for like number 1. I think these, the rice cracker snacks, are like number 2. And then the potato ones are number 3 because
They don't really taste like a lot.
they're just kind of sweet. I mean, they're good. But they're kind of just potato chips.
Kind of sweet. I guess there's a very, very mild seafood flavor. Or seaweed flavor.
Yeah. It's probably from the seaweed flakes.
Hmm. So... I think for me, these shrimp chips are number 1. I think these are number 2. The seaweed is number 3, and these are number 4.
So none of them are tied for you?
Nope. These are really crunchy. I like that.
Mm-hmm.
These taste like something I've had before. Not shrimp.
That would be a little obvious choice. Tastes like the shrimp they put in ramen.
It does taste like the shrimp they put in ramen.
Not like the good ramen, but like the cup ramen.
Yes. So shrimp.
So shrimp.
But ramen, so I was kind of.
But ramen shrimp. So like the dried dehydrated shrimp.
Yeah.
Which I think are disgusting, so I don't eat them.
Are we good?
We'll let the boys try them. I'm gonna make them get off their game for 0.2 seconds to come try the snacks.
Okay. Alright guys, I think we are done here. These were all really, really good.
Mm-hmm.
I can't say a bad thing about any of them.
If you have an Asian market,
Go and get some snacks.
Go and get some snacks, and if you see these, get them.
Yeah,
because they're real good.
They're real nice. So God, I don't know what our next video is gonna be.
Maybe sushi, maybe subs. We're still figuring it out because
we want to do another sushi mukbang, but I don't know if we're going to this week. So I don't know. I guess you'll see us when you see us. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to comment and like this video and share it with all your besties.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.